What's going on, Adam?
Hi. We are currently driving on this frozen tundra that we live in Winnipeg, Manitoba.
I'm not currently driving though. Someone else is driving.
I'm not driving.
Today is the day that we go pick up the Camaro.
At a cold storage.
Out of cold storage. We are heading to a buddy's shop right now who's had the car for like a month-ish.
Yeah, a month.
And he rewired the whole car, headlights to taillight, and it's even got party lights under the dash now, so that's pretty exciting. And yeah, cold tundra. We'll update them when we get there.
Yep.
Okay.
See you soon.
All right. We're at the home of LCR Performance and Miles Fab, and we come bearing gifts all the time. Knocks down our bill when we bring the guys donuts. I think only Lucas is here. Here we are. Collecting our ship box. Lucas is gonna get my videos demonetized because he's playing Aaron Lewis in the background.
Demonetized yet, so what's there to demonetize?
Come on. This looks wicked. Lucas hates to admit it, but he is my biggest fan. Half my views come from Lucas watching.
Yes, you guys take that. I don't want anymore. I had a couple and that's it.
Well, no.
No, you can eat those.
That box is yours, Lucas.
No, they're not. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So what do you think it's going to run?
Quarter mile?
Quarter mile.
How much boost do you plan to run or want to run?
15 pounds.
25? Realistically, I think 25 will get you an 890.
Give me which?
890. It all depends though, but I think you're going to be honestly limited to when you actually try to get some 60 foots out of it. That diff is going to exit stage right.
Why?
You'll find out. I'm being honest. You're not going to hurt it on the 60 foot if you're going to like 1,360 foot.
That's the plan.
You try to get down to 1,2, you're going to
There was a guy on the Leaf Springs page who said that he went 130 once before it spit the yolk through the floor. So
There you go. So I told you.
yeah, so if we can do, we'll do a 130.
It won't work. It just depends how long it's going to work.
We'll do a 131.
Don't worry. We have a 9-inch for you after.
Where is it?
It's just not here yet.
I thought you had the.
No,
Oh no, that's the wrong 9-inch. I'll give you 6 inches if you want. Well, this looks fantastic.
So your fuses and everything in the back. So back here. So you guys remember all this stuff. I'll give you a whole layout of it. But you got your one fuel pump, second fuel pump, your trans fan, your gear vendor. So your fuses and everything are here. So everything pops. You got a main one right here that we put on, so you fuse the whole way. So right here kills the whole car.
Adam's pretty familiar with that one.
Familiar with that.
Okay, so then that itself there, then the dash, obviously it's normal stuff. Here, since you guys gave me no factory column, here's your trans brake, here's your bump button, and here's your horn.
Fantastic. That's a good horn.
I don't even care about the other stuff. That horn.
So
We should have put a Dixie horn on it.
whatever you guys want to do. That's it. So there you can see the top left, there's your indicators.
Okay.
There's your left.
Can we put a Dixie horn on it?
Whatever you guys want to do.
No, can you do it before it leaves?
No.
Okay.
Here's your hazard button right here. Okay.
So everything works.
Well, yeah. And then when you turn your lights on, you'll see your hazard light comes on, but that's just the way it's wired. Your wipers, everything. Your ignition, and then everything else there. So everything's done here on the front. Like I said before, there's a one plug there, so if you guys do gotta take the whole front end off, you can. Because someone complained about taking off a front end before and it wasn't removable.
Yeah.
It's true. Hey, I wouldn't have had to take the front end off if...
Here we go. So that's off of there. Your line lock's right there. It's all wired, but obviously it's not plumbed. All ready to go. Yeah, and then all your other stuff is over here on the path.
"20 minutes later.
Put the door down until we actually get the car in. That's all I need you guys backing into the thing.
Our hired help. All right. That's it.
That's it.
Just a thumbs up.
That wasn't even thumbs up. I was playing.
Looks great.
Yeah, someone scratched the bottom of the door opening right there.
I did it on both sides. I wanted them to match. Thanks to LCR. Thanks Lucas and Connor if you did touch the car. We should go race, was it KSR Fab or whatever?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
We'll race against him.
We could we could call it the
Mirror
we call it the soccer dad.
Yeah, soccer dad.
It's more PG than blue balls. Anyways, it's cold as fuck out here. We'll find out if these straps are tight enough. Did you tighten all the straps? Did you tighten the straps? I didn't like snug them up. I just made them.
Thought I did.
All right, we're gonna have to check straps.
Yeah, we're gonna check straps.
See you guys on the highway. All right, guys, so we got blue balls back to its final resting place for now. Didn't fall off the trailer. Didn't lose anything. We had a seat that tried to take flight. We got it in there safely now, along with some firewood. So, yeah, bit of an update. Hopefully we have it running, I'd like to say within the next month. But much closer now than we were before. Got some fuel lines to wrap up. I'll have to do a full walk around video when it's back on the lift, showing you guys kind of all the progress we've made on the underside, the engine. Yeah, a couple treats under the hood, underneath the car, and yeah, hopefully it's running within the next month or so. Lucas and Connor did a fantastic job, or maybe just Lucas, I don't even know. Oh, that is a lot lower now than it was before. Never mind. But they did a fantastic job on the wiring, or Lucas did, LCR, those guys. And yeah, car looks great. Looks good to see it on the sun, all cleaned up or washed up. Gonna get this trailer back to its home. And yeah, hopefully you guys are equally as excited as we are to get this thing running. I'd like to see it on the dyno within the next, hopefully 2 months. We got to get a trailer for it. And get ready for Miles of Mayhem. Hopefully do some testing in May would be ideal. And yeah, man, these tires look great on here. Got some 275 Pros for it as well, but these do a fantastic job filling out the wheel wells. So anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up the video. And hopefully you guys are enjoying more frequent posting. Don't forget, fuck cancer and, well, that guy too.